In lane 1, DC Garcia Padilla from Southern Alabama. Lane 2, Natalie West from Washington County. Lane 3, Claudia Sutcliffe from Oregon. Lane 4, Hudson Hill from Washington County. Lane 5, Francesca Pince-Piense from Ashburn. Lane 6, Emory Bedford from Oak Grove. Lane 7, Bella Believe from Central Davidson. And Lane 8, Abby Brewer from Eastern Alabama.